Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to go through the whole process of turning a 3D print into a carbon fiber part. So this is just a little test piece that I printed. It's basically just a little chunk of the hardtop that I took out. And that is what's going to be our sample for our test. And we're going to make a mold from this and build a carbon fiber part that hopefully looks pretty similar in the shape. Alright, so the mold's all cured up, I believe. It's been about 48 hours. Should be ready for the part to be released. Hopefully it'll come off. There it goes. So we got a mold. Still feels kind of sticky. Maybe that's because it's still kind of cold out here. So maybe it didn't completely cure all the way. But looks pretty good, matches the shape, and it's ready for some carbon fiber. So I don't know if you can tell from that last video, but I don't know what I'm doing. So I think the stickiness on the back of the mold is the 3M Super 77 spray, and you can see I didn't use a gel coat on this, which on the real mold I'll put the gel coat down on the part first, and then the spray, and then the fiberglass, after I do all the release wax and PVA. But the reason this is sticky is because it doesn't have that gel coat on there in between the part and the spray. So I think I'm gonna have to scrap this. If I make a carbon fiber part from this, I'll have to clean it all up, get all the stickiness off of it, which is more work than I want to put into it. So we'll learn from it and keep on going. All right, I'm gonna do one more coat of Bondo on here, and then it should be ready to make the fiberglass mold.